Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got a brand new radio for you, sent to me by PRUNUS. It's their J-08S. It's AM, FM, 2 shortwave bands. The first shortwave band goes from 2.8 megahertz to 10. The second one goes from 10 megahertz to 22. It has a telescopic antenna, which is about 18.5 inches. The radio itself is 7.5 inches by 4.2 inches by 2.8 inches. Carrying handle, which does fold down. And what you have to do with the carrying handle, like other radios like this, you have to put the telescopic antenna down, and then you can put the handle down if you want to have it on your table, and then raise the handle. Raise the antenna. Nice big speaker. Uses an 18650 removable battery. Has a charging cable. So you plug that into the side, charge the battery. Does not come with the adapter, AC adapter. It also, and that's what the S is in the number, it's solar charged. Got a double solar panel. Nice looking radio. Well, everything's nice and smooth. On-off volume, tuning. Nice big tuning dial, analog of course. Down here is the band select, FM, AM, SW1, SW2. Over here is the headphone jack and the charging port. And there's a little LED, red LED that comes on when it's charging. Comes with the charging cable, as I mentioned, and a little user's manual. It's very, very easy to use. It does have one drawback, and I'll show you what that is. Like I say, the sound from that speaker is awesome. And we'll quickly go through the bands so we don't play music too long. Here we go. Turn it on. We're on FM. We got to be real careful. Yep. Music. Get away from the music.
I'm never going to have vision.
There we go.
This is a win the Super Bowl move.
Yeah, unbelievable stuff. Great start to the week. Obviously, it's a monster week here. And we're still waiting.
So you could see that it's on FM. It's real easy to tune. It gets a lot of signals, a lot of stations. Come in nice and strong. Same way with AM. Now, shortwave on a 18-inch telescopic antenna is not going to be very good. Shortwave on any of these small radios, trying to use the built-in antenna, depending on where you are, of course. I'm in Clearwater, Florida. The reception is not going to be very good. In addition, on this radio, it's a DSP radio. Uses digital signal processing, tuning. And it has muting while tuning. Oh boy, does it have muting while tuning. You can tune it, but let me show you my technique. Let's go to shortwave 2. Not going to get anything, it's in the middle of the afternoon, but we can still see how it tunes. Get the glare off. Getting some noise. So you have to tune it and stop and wait for the processor to decode the signal. Otherwise, you're never going to get anything. And it works. You can do that. You can, like I say, this morning, it was like 5 o'clock in the morning, I was tuning down in the lower part of the band, and I was able to get Tennessee. And I knew where it was, about 5.85, so I tuned down there, and then I just kind of jogged it back and forth, and then stopped. We see if we can get anything on 15 megahertz right there. Probably can't. No, can't get anything. So you can see for shortwave, not a good radio. Short telescopic antenna and then a terrible muting well tuning. But AM and FM comes in loud and clear, nice and clean. And for those two bands, it works great. And this would make a perfect gift for Father's Day. Yeah, Father's Day. Again, it's the PRUNUS J-08S, and it's on sale right now on Amazon for $16.99. $16.99. Like I say, beautiful sound out of this big speaker. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.